Black Ops 2 every day. I love this game is what I used to say until early this year, when I heard that Ghost was near. I guess that I forgot about Black Ops, watching Ghost gameplay non-stop. I cannot wait for it, so I went and pre-ordered it. Call of Duty Ghosts, it's so great. Went and bought it on release date. All new guns, interactive maps, makes Black Ops 2 look like crap. Call of Duty Ghosts, it's so great. Playing it every day without break. I see it all, I see it now. I really love COD Ghosts, shooting down noobs and pros. I have been playing it every damn day and night, non-stop, playing it non-stop, sniping noobs till they drop, 'cause I really love COD Ghosts, I really love COD Ghosts. Now I'm getting sick of Black Ops 2, playing it too many times through. I just need something new, maybe a gun or two. Call of Duty Ghosts, it's so great. Went and bought it on a release date. All new guns, interactive maps, makes Black Ops 2 look like crap.